Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about graphing inequalities. We're going to draw a graph for each inequality. All right? So if I was given this inequality, 5 is greater than or equal to negative a. Okay? Well, the way I go about this is I like to get a by itself first. So there's a negative in front of the a. I don't like it. So I'm going to multiply both sides by a negative 1. Multiply both sides by a negative 1. What that does, though, makes negative a times negative 1 a positive a, and negative 1 times 5 a negative 5. But since I multiply it by a negative over the inequality, that greater than or equal to sign flips to a less than or equal to sign. Okay? But now it even gets a little tricky, right? Because I like to see a coming first. So I'm going to flip this whole inequality, a to come first. Okay? I have a negative 5 over here. And then by doing that, I flip the inequality again here. So we have a greater than sign and equal to, right? Greater than or equal to. And the way I see it is like, okay, the pointy side goes to negative 5. Make sure that pointy part of the inequality goes to the negative 5. All right? When you flip that there. So now that I have a is greater than or equal to negative 5, I start at negative 5. I have a closed circle at negative 5 because we can equal negative 5. Then a is greater than, so we shade to the right. Alright, so now you don't have to go all the way. I never really do. Your teacher might want you to. I'm fine with it. Okay? So now we have a graph now that matches our final answer. Okay? So let's recap. We're given 5 is greater than or equal to negative a. I want to get a to be positive, so I multiply negative 1 to both sides of the inequality. By doing that, that causes my inequality from a greater than or equal to sign to flip to a less than or equal to sign. The a becomes positive and 5 becomes negative. Then from there, I like to have a written first. So I have a flipped to the left side, negative 5 to the right, and in doing so, I do have to flip the inequality again. Okay? And always, at this point, think pointy was facing negative 5, pointy faces this negative 5. Okay? So now we have a is greater than or equal to negative 5, which, just to say, is the same thing as 5 is greater than or equal to negative a. Alright? So we have a is greater than or equal to negative 5. It's in a format like. A can equal negative 5, closed circle at negative 5, and a is greater than negative 5, so I also shade to the right. So now our graph matches our inequality.